Hello everyone, welcome back to XML. In this video, I will show you how to format XML in Notepad++. So let's get started. At first, open Notepad on your computer and open the XML file you want to format. Ensure the XML content is visible within the Notepad++ editor. Navigate to the Plugins menu in Notepad++ and select Plugin Manager. From there, find and install the XML Tools plugin. Click Install. Notepad will restart. After installing the XML Tools plugin, go to the Plugins menu again. Select XML Tools and then click on Pretty Print. This will format your XML code for better readability. Notepad++ will automatically format the XML file, indenting text and arranging the content. Take a look at the organized XML code for improved structure and readability. If you are satisfied with the formatting, you can now save the file with the organized XML structure. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at XML. This video is sponsored by Zoft. Zoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zoft today. For more details, check the description box.